Hello students, now we are going to continue with the lesson number 13 which we had learnt last week. Life of people in the northern plains. Now we'll learn about the life of the people in the northern plains. Whatever states lie in the northern plains, about them we will study. Like Delhi, West Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Jharkhand and Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana also are included. Now Punjab is called the land of five rivers because earlier five tributaries of Indus flowed through it. However, after partition, today Punjab has only Ravi, Byas and Satluj. This I told you earlier. Now only three rivers are left. And you know about the dress of the people, what kind of dress they wear, men and women. And Punjab is often called bread basket of India because of high production of wheat. So this is there. This regarding the dress it is given, and which religion is very common here. Sikhism is the main religion of the people living here, and people speak Punjabi and Hindi. This you all know. What do you people like to eat? Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag, and lassi you want to drink. So all these things, this I should not rather explain because you all know. And Bhangra and Gidda also, you know, dance forms of Punjab. What is the capital of Punjab? Tell me. It's, yes, Chandigarh. It's Chandigarh. And name some of the main cities of Punjab. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, and Chandigarh to its capital. That I have told. Pathankot also you can say. So Ludhiana is famous for hosiery and woolen clothes. Amritsar also for woolen clothes. Jalandhar for sports items. This you all must know about your state. And which are the main festivals of Punjab? Baisakhi and Gurpurab. And rest of the festivals also you celebrate. But these are the special festivals of Punjab. Now comes Haryana. Haryana is a North Indian state that shares its boundaries with Punjab, UP, Rajasthan and Delhi. Its capital is also Chandigarh. Punjab and Haryana have got the same capital. This you all must know, Chandigarh. And these people love to do the farming and dairy farming. Main occupation of these people is farming and dairy farming. And which crops are grown here? Wheat, rice, maize, pulses and sugar cane. And Karnal is the main city which is famous for its dairy farm and research center. It has got many forts also, Karnal. Now a big cattle fair is held at Hisar. Hisar is a city in Haryana. So cattle fair is held here. What kind of dress these people wear? These people wear dhoti kurta. Men wear dhoti kurta while women wear ghagra choli and odni. And which language do they speak? Haryanvi and Hindi. And main festival is Teej. And one more thing, Haryana. Some major cities of Haryana are Gurugram, which was earlier known as Gurgaon. Now its name has changed to Gurugram, which is famous for automobiles. Faridabad, Sonipat, Panipat are also famous industrial towns. Clear? Now comes Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, do you know what all cities are very famous? The capital is Lucknow, and other cities are Kanpur, Allahabad, Agra, Noida, Ghaziabad, Varanasi. All these are famous cities. Agra, which is the famous monument in Agra? Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the famous monument. Hmm? Understood? Now, it also has northern plains, and it has very fertile soil, and the main crops grown here are wheat, rice, sugarcane, oilseeds, and pulses. Many industries have also flourished here, like cotton textile, leather industry, sugar, glass, and fertilizers. Clear? These are the main industries. And men in the state wear kurta pajama, whereas women wear saris. The people love to eat simple food like dal, roti, and vegetable. They speak Hindi, while some parts local languages like Awadhi, Braj Bhasha, and Bundeli are also spoken. Clear? Now, the festivals which they celebrate are Diwali, Dashera, Eid, and Janmashtami. Now comes West Bengal. West Bengal is an important state of eastern India. Kolkata is the state capital. About Kolkata, you all have studied in the metropolitan cities, important cities chapter. You all have done. Now, the state receives heavy rainfall. It has rich fertile soil. Rice and jute cultivation is popular in the state. Men of the state usually wear dhoti kurta while women wear saris. People are very fond of art and music. Shantiniketan, set up by Rabindranath Tagore, is an important center of learning in the state. People speak Bengali language, West Bengal, Bengali. Now, what is the main food? Rice and fish curry. So, they do farming also, and fishing is also the main occupation of the people. Durga Puja is the main festival of the state. Understood? This you all have studied about this. Delhi also. You studied in the chapter Important Cities. What is it officially called? National Capital Territory of Delhi. Edwin Lutyens. He did something. What did he do? He planned this city. Now, people from different castes, religions, and customs live in Delhi. Most of the people here are employed in various government and private offices. They mostly speak Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi. Now, tell me, Delhi is also called what? You all had studied. It is called Mini India because people from different castes, religions, and customs live here. Now comes Bihar. In ancient India, Bihar was the center of Buddhism. It lies between the states of Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. What is the capital of Bihar? Patna. It is situated at the banks of river Ganga. Now, regarding agriculture, the main crops are rice, wheat, and sugarcane and pulses, which are grown here. People speak Hindi, Maithili, and Bhojpuri language. The main festival is Chhat Puja, which is celebrated after the festival of Diwali. These ladies are doing Chhat Puja. Now comes Jharkhand. Jharkhand, this state was carved out of Bihar. Earlier, Bihar and Jharkhand was a one state, means its name was Bihar only. Later on, Bihar broke into Jharkhand and Bihar. Bihar was separated and Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar in the year 2000. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. It is famous for many waterfalls. So many waterfalls are there in this city. It is also called the land of forest. Jharkhand is rich in minerals like iron, coal, and bauxite. There are many mines in the region. People generally speak Hindi language. Some tribal people belonging to Santhal and Munda tribes also live here. Means tribal people live here. They are shown here. Tribal people. Assam lies in the northeastern India. Dispur is the capital of Assam. You know, children, Assam is famous for its tea. Rice and jute are also grown here in the flat regions, and tea is grown in the hilly region. Okay, and it is also famous for its Muga silk. Bihu is the main festival of these people, and they love to dance, and they also love music during the festivals. Guwahati is the largest city of the state. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. Children, you have to go through the lesson once again and read the main points, learn them, and then we'll discuss the exercises and question answers in the next video. Okay, children, goodbye.